Dropbox is hiring. This is a fantastic opportunity to join one of the most innovative companies out there, and they're looking for a product support representative to join their team. In this video, we will talk about what this job is all about, what you need to succeed, how to apply, and everything you need to know about this amazing opportunity. Watch the video until the end for a bonus job that anyone can apply to. You don't need any degree, experience, or CV. Dropbox has always been about making work life easier, more connected, and more fulfilling. They've built a platform used by millions worldwide, and now they need passionate people like you to help customers get the most out of it. Now, before we dive into the details, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It really means a lot and helps us keep bringing you amazing job leads like this one. Also, turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any remote job opportunities. Let us know where you're located so that we can share remote jobs hiring in your location. So, what's this role all about? As a product support representative, you'll be providing top-notch support for Dropbox's ecosystem of products. Think tools like Sync, Capture, Backup, DocSend, and Dropbox Sign. Your day-to-day will involve communicating with users via phone, email, and chat, helping them solve technical issues, and making sure they have the best experience possible. Dropbox is all about listening to its customers and constantly improving. That's where you come in. You'll be using tools like Slack, Jira, Zendesk, and Zoom to collaborate with your team and provide feedback to help improve Dropbox's products. It's a dynamic role, so you'll need to be flexible, sometimes working weekends or holidays to ensure customers are taken care of. Now, let's talk about what Dropbox is looking for. If you have 2+ years of experience in a technical support role and you're comfortable troubleshooting systems like Windows and Mac OS, this could be a perfect fit. They're looking for someone with strong communication skills, a problem-solving mindset, and a genuine passion for helping others. What's really cool is that Dropbox offers great benefits. We're talking about competitive medical, dental, and vision coverage, a 401k plan with company match, flexible PTO, mental health support, and even perks for things like wellness and professional development. Plus, you'll have access to over 10,000 global co-working spaces, so you can work from pretty much anywhere. One thing to note is that Dropbox is a virtual-first company, which means you'll be working remotely. However, they do have specific zones they're hiring from, so make sure to check if your location qualifies. As you can see from their website, compensation is also based on your zone, with salaries ranging from $66,400 to $101,000 annually, depending on your location. So, if you love solving problems, enjoy working in a collaborative environment, and want to be part of a company that's changing the way the world works, you should definitely consider applying for this role. Dropbox is a place where ideas come to life, and they're committed to creating a supportive, inclusive environment for everyone. Now, here is the bonus remote opportunity that anyone can start working on right now. If you've been searching for a flexible way to earn money from the comfort of your own home, or honestly, from anywhere, then listen up, because this could be exactly what you need. Imagine a job that doesn't require any prior experience, where you can set your own hours and work at your own pace. Well, that's exactly what TranscribeMe offers. It's one of the most popular transcription platforms out there, and for good reason. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for people who want to make extra cash without committing to a rigid schedule. So what exactly will you be doing? As a transcriptionist for TranscribeMe, your main task is to listen to audio files and type out what you hear. Think of interviews, meetings, podcasts, basically any kind of audio content that companies or individuals need transcribed. The best part? The files are typically short, around 2 to 4 minutes long, making the work manageable and not overwhelming. And don't worry if you're not a professional typist. As long as you have a good ear, attention to detail, and can type accurately, you're good to go. Now let's talk about why people love working with TranscribeMe. First off, you don't need any fancy equipment or software. All you need is a reliable computer, a stable internet connection, and headphones. Plus, you don't have to worry about chasing clients or bidding for jobs. The platform provides a steady stream of transcription tasks, so you can focus on completing them and getting paid. Speaking of getting paid, here's where it gets really exciting. TranscribeMe offers some of the best rates in the transcription industry. On average, you can earn around $15 to $22 per audio hour, and experienced transcriptionists or those in specialized fields can earn even more. It may not sound like much at first, but remember, you're working at your own pace, and every little bit adds up. Some people make hundreds of dollars a month just by working on the platform in their spare time. What really sets TranscribeMe apart is its flexibility. You don't have to commit to full-time hours or be available at specific times. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, someone with a full-time job looking for a side hustle, or even someone traveling, you can fit TranscribeMe into your schedule. The freedom to work when and where you want makes it incredibly appealing. And don't worry if you're new to transcription. TranscribeMe offers training and support to help you succeed. There's an initial test to get started, but it's not too difficult if you follow their guidelines. Once you pass, you'll have access to tasks right away. And as you gain more experience, you'll have the chance to work on more specialized projects that pay even more. But it doesn't stop there. If you're looking to grow within the platform, there are opportunities for advancement. Many transcriptionists have moved on to become reviewers or team leads, which comes with higher pay. And honestly, it's a great way to improve your listening and typing skills, which can be valuable in many other areas of life. So, how do you get started? It's simple. Just head over to transcribeme.com and click on the Join as a Freelancer button. You'll fill out some basic info, take the short transcription test, and once you pass, you're in. From there, you can start selecting tasks and making money. TranscribeMe is a fantastic way to earn money online with minimal barriers to entry. It's flexible, beginner-friendly, and pays well compared to other similar platforms. If you're looking for a side hustle that you can do from anywhere, at any time, it's definitely worth checking out. Give it a shot. Who knows? It might just become your favorite way to earn extra cash. To apply, we've got the link ready for you in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. And before you go, don't forget to take a look at some of our other videos and visit our website for more remote job listings. We're constantly updating with new opportunities, so keep checking in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.